Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, hello guys. I've got to give you an update about the 1.4 billion naira that the Nigerian government dash out to the Niger Republic. Even though our own people are at home, our students are at home, ASU have not been settled, issue of petroleum have not been tackled, and so many disturbing factors, so many disturbing challenges that we have in Nigeria has not been, ratified, has not been rectified. So we can dash money out. Now we have the money now. We are Nigerians, and funny enough, our own Minister of Finance, National Budget and National Planning in Nigeria, that's in person of Zainab Ahmed. She has spoken to justify that giveaway. It's just a giveaway now. Why not they talk? The giveaway 1.4 billion naira to the Niger Republic. He said is just to show a sign of concern. Yes, to give out that it is the responsibility of the government, Nigerian government, the president, to think that he wants to do something, he wants to give out. So nothing can stop him. He can give out to whoever he feels needs it. I don't think you need it. You didn't hear that from Michelle. So he said, so they can do that to help countries that are near to us, to secure their environs. So it's and she said it's in our own interest, in Nigeria interest. So he said, there's nothing wrong in the Nigerian government giving out money to the Niger Republic. So students, no na sit at home, no wahala. Now here we dey. Even in Nigeria, we dey here together. Now so it be. That's the update about this 1.4 billion naira that Nigerians are clamoring about. That kind of money, can they give it to ASU? Stuff, blah, 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 blah. That's it though.
Over time, Nigeria has had to support its neighbors, especially immediate neighbors, to enhance their capacity to secure their countries as it relates to us. This is not the first time that Nigeria has supported Niger, Cameroon, or Chad, and the president makes an assessment as to what is required based on the request of their presidents, and such requests are approved and the interventions are provided. Is to enhance their capacity to protect their own territory as it relates to security also in Nigeria. Well, Nigerians have a right to ask questions, but also the president has a responsibility to make an assessment of what is in the best interest of the country, and I cannot question that decision myself. I have said that this is not the first time that Nigeria as a country has provided intervention to our neighbors following an assessment that it is in the best interest of Nigeria to do